There's a light, a certain kind of light. Yes, HTL lovers, there is a light at the end of the COVID tunnel. This year, HTL Live, Las Vegas, be there. I'm running 2 presentations. On the Friday, I'm going to be teaching you TPM, Total Perception Management, how to get complete control of your emotions and teach your clients how to do the same. On the Saturday, I'm going to be showing you how to use charisma, fascination, hypnosis to super boost your presentations. And then on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm running a 3-day workshop teaching you my complete hypnosis system. The system I've helped over 30,000 clients with over the past 30 years. So it's going to be fun, as it always is. As you know, HypnoThoughts Live is the best hypnosis convention in the world. And it is always fun, but it's also a great learning experience. So I look forward to seeing you there. I'm going to be there on the Friday running a presentation, the Saturday, and on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday running a 3-day workshop where I will teach you everything I know about hypnosis and how to help other people. Take care, stay well, and I'll see you there.